Hey guys, it's Spidey Boy 464 here, and today with me is my little brother. Just make a noise. Alright, and the coolest part about this, we don't actually live in Texas. The coolest part about this, please move, Caden. This video is actually really cool because I've been waiting to find one of these, even if it was just this one, but it's really cool. So here it is. I found a vending machine. The guy gave it to me for free. I just had to take off the lock because he didn't know where the key went. So, yeah. So, my little brother is going to try it out with 50 cents. Yeah. So, I'm going to get popcorn. You want to get the Rice Krispie treat.
I'm going to get popcorn.
No.
I'm going to get the Rice Krispie treat.
And then, once he puts it in, he's going to turn it. And then, as you see,
and then once you go down here, your Rice Krispie treat's right there.
And it was just in there. There was two. Now there's one. And the way to get it back, because it's my vending machine, you take off the roof. You take off, not the roof, but you take off this middle piece, and he gets his 2 quarters back. And here are mine. So it wasn't a prank. Please give me my quarters back. And yes,
are you gonna get popcorn?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get some popcorn.
Popcorn.
Slide this thing right back in.
We need popcorn for a house, right?
Alright, see?
We need popcorn for a house.
Exactly, so you use this. And now, I
put it into.
See the popcorn back there? I'll insert 2 quarters. 1, 2, 2. And I will turn it. Can you turn that, Caden?
And then, if you look down here, you got yourself some kettle corn.
And this is like how it comes out. And this is
kettle corn.
Kettle corn. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of a short video, but it's pretty cool.